What's going on, YouTube? Big Country coming at you one more again. I'm up here in the big city of Orangeburg, South Carolina. We're currently sitting at the drive-thru at Captain D's. My mother-in-law loves Captain D's. She gets the same thing, the catfish feast, 2 orders of okra and an order of broccoli. That's what she gets. Me myself, I don't care for Captain D's. I don't care for fish really. I can't eat it. I don't care for it. I don't like the taste of it. Anyway, I'm heading over there to try that the Subway. I'm gonna get a BMT, and I'm gonna get 2 BMTs the same way. And then I'm getting my buddy cold cut. They're probably going to be on Italian urban cheese bread. The Italian BMT, I think that's what it's called, the Italian BMT. On Italian urban cheese. But we're getting ready to leave from here. We're waiting on the food. It should be out in a few minutes. I went out to the shed to start trying to straighten it up, get stuff moved out so I can get the floor swept, mopped, and prepped. I should have went by the store and got the underlayment to go ahead and put that down. I don't know what I'm going to sit down with my wife and we're going to discuss, see which project, which section to do first, the walls, the installation, and all that good stuff. I'm pretty handy, but I ain't never done no drywall, sheet rocking, and none of that, button and taping, but I'm gonna just make me like just area to get out the house, to get it by myself, so I can turn my music up loud and not disturb nobody. I can get there and I can just be myself. You know what I mean? Just be myself. I get on my computer, do what I need to do on my computer. Turn my TV on, watch TV. I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride on that one. I got the big camera. It records at 30 minutes at a time, but then you had to hit record again, and then I have to get some editing software so I can post that for y'all. But I'll probably record with my phone too.
Have a great day, alright?
And the food finally got here. My heart.
You want to check it?
Yeah, I'll check it. Me and YouTube gonna check it to make sure it's right.
That's kind of
Good. It is. Huh? That's what it is. Well, they getting slack on that fish, bro. They went up on the price and went down on the quantity and the quality.
It smells good though.
My wife said it smells good. I don't care for it. It just smells kind of burnt.
And you're not eating.
Yeah, you got 2 coming. Yeah, she's trying something different today. Try to get back, switch back from the eating all veggies, to switch back to eating meat again and do like a little. You got another one coming. Yeah, we just tried to check the traffic here. He got a big old trailer with him. We'll start easing out, man. And yeah, she gonna switch back over to eating the meat again. Come Friday, I think she said she ain't eat nothing. She doing a dry fast. Just for the day. If y'all don't know what a dry fast is, it means she don't eat nothing or drink nothing for 24 hours. And she got I don't know what time you eating tomorrow, Bob?
I'm not eating tomorrow.
I mean, what time? You ain't eating nothing tomorrow? You ain't gonna drink no water or nothing? She gonna drink water tomorrow, see that? What time you gonna drink water tomorrow?
Starting in the morning.
First thing in the morning.
With some Himalayan sea salt.
Oh, pink Himalayan sea salt. For the electrolytes and stuff in it, for stuff like that. All right, I'll get back up with y'all when I get my subs. All right, everybody, just got out of Subway. I got the 2 BMTs, and I got 1 cold cut. And I got the honey mustard on them, and the mayonnaise on mine. It's just mayonnaise on Snakes. He don't eat no. He's just funny about the way he eats and stuff. Everybody got their own brain, their own mind. Everybody like to eat their own things. I do got me a Dr. Pepper to go with my subs. By the time I get to the house and eat it, it's gonna be time to eat the second one. I ain't even got started on the first one yet. All right, I'll get back with y'all when I get to the house. That's a big old bag of sub sandwiches there. That's 3 big old foot longs. I got 2. I got 1 sub for tomorrow. All right, I'll get back to y'all when I get back to the house to get ready to eat these subs. All right. Okay, YouTube, big country, back at you again. I'm back home again. I got that BMT. Now, them crazy idiots cut my sandwich kind of crazy. They cut it half in 2. They got a big side and a little side. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. They got a little tiny little piece right there. Man, they cut it off. I'm about to recut that because that ain't right. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go grab a knife real quick. And I'm going to even up the sandwich. And then I'm going to get back with y'all. All right, that's more like it. Yeah, they're about the same length. And I'll show you. There you go, see? They're about the same length. All right. I'm going to eat half of this now, so I'm going to put the other half of this, and I'm going to wrap it back up, and I'll eat the other half of this afternoon, whenever I get this afternoon before 5 o'clock, or about 5 o'clock. Because after 6 o'clock, I can't eat no more. All right. That's different. The honey mustard really set it off time. Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. Second bite. Now, I do like my food on the spicy side. So I got the jalapeno on there. And I got the banana peppers on there. Mmm. Pretty good sandwich. Pretty good sandwich. I taste jalapeno. Hey, Snake, you taste the jalapeno on there? No? I should have told him to put a little more in there. Oh, that tastes good. I ain't gonna lie, I'll probably eat the whole thing. Current time is 1:41. The only thing I have this morning, I opened up this and took one swallow out of it before I got home. But my window, I still open my window at 10. And I'm still going to close it at 6. So I'm going to eat about 5. But now and then, I'm going to be outside cleaning out my shed and turn it into my man cave. I got to get another shed so I can put that stuff there in, or find a place up on the top shelf above the. I'm putting me a swinging bed in there. I don't know if I'm going to do a king, twin, or full. I'm thinking about a king. But if I do that, if I get a king, I have to go buy a mattress. So if I do a twin, I got a mattress. So I might just do a twin. I'll take the hot prison down. For those that are new to the channel, or if just ain't watched in a while, regulars, why don't y'all comment down in the comment section what's your favorite sub? That's a pretty good sandwich there. Excuse me. Woo. Well, you ain't had soda in a while. Diet soda tastes pretty tight. I forgot what I was gonna say. That's a pretty good sub there. Time I tried the honey mustard. You're right, it does taste pretty good on there. When I was younger, what I mean by younger, as I say that, I mean when I was 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, I was a skinny little fella. And then all of a sudden, I started putting on weight about 10, 11. First, I obviously started noticing it in my stomach area. I've always been active though. Always been active. I think what changed is when we moved from one town to another town, we wasn't around all the friends and family that was around. We didn't hang out with them no more. So we was in another town. But I've always been active. I walk 3 or 4 miles almost every day. Just going to a friend's house. We lived out in the country and they live right down the road, so we walked over to their house. But before then, we used to run through the woods. We lived back way back in the boondocks. Our driveway was a quarter mile long behind a field. And we had to walk out. We had to walk all the way down there every morning for school. Then we moved. We just had to walk out maybe a couple 100 feet. Ever since then, I would go up and go down, go up and go down. I might post some pictures. I have to find them. If I find them, I'll post some pictures of me when I was younger and gradually over the years. I was in the best shape of my life when me and my wife first got together. I was about 200 pounds. I still had a little bit of a stomach, but I could run, I could climb. I could still run, I could still climb. Not like I did then. I can run from here about maybe 100 foot, 200 foot. Then it's done. Better hook me up to the oxygen, so I'll be passing out. But if I can find some pictures, I'll post them. I got some pictures when I wasn't so fat. I was still fat, but I wasn't so fat. That was a good sub. As always, till the next time, keep it fresh. What's going on, YouTube, big country? Coming back at you one more again. I just finished eating my sub. I got a bottle of water. I drunk a 16-ounce Diet Dr. Pepper with it. As usual, my phone messed up and my video did not get done the way it's supposed to get done. So here I am talking about what I ate. I ate a 6-inch sub, BMT. It's pretty tight. Pretty tight. I mean, when I say pretty tight, it's tight and right. I'd eat that. I could probably eat 2 of them 2 foot longs. But I can't do that right now. It's been a long day. I've been out in the barn / man cave trying to get it right. I done swept it out, come back in the house, dust all in my head. I'm probably gonna have to take me a bunch of allergy medicine here in a little bit. Right here, all this right here is hurting and fuzzy. Not hurting, but stuffy. It's fuzzy. Here it is. Let me see. It's 5:19. I started eating at 5:02. I took my time, nibbled on it, drink my drink water. Matter of fact, I'm gonna drink some more right now. Got a little ahead of myself. It happens sometimes. See, my Subway wrapper right there. Subway napkin. That's what I had. It was real good. I could eat another one. I really could. I really could eat another one. But I'm gonna not eat another one. I watched a little movie on TV. I ain't gonna say the name of it. Well, y'all can think of some videos y'all want me to do, a topic to talk about, a recipe to try, but not this week. Not for the next 7 days. I won't try new recipe. That dust really got a hold of me. I gotta go back out there, and it's supposed to start raining tonight, and I gotta cover everything up that I took out the barn so it don't get wet. This stuff got to go back in the barn once I get. Well, most of it got to go back in the barn. Sorry for all my noises I'm making, folks. Let me see. Yeah, if y'all got something y'all want me to try, y'all want me to do, experiment, a challenge, a diet challenge, or something, a weight loss challenge, whatever. I might try it, I might not. Just shoot me a line down in the comment section. If I see it, I'll get back to you. If I don't see it, that means I didn't get it. Because I check all the time. It's still coming back. So, well, I can't think of nothing else to say. So, till next time, keep it fresh.